In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Unreal Engine 4 with GitHub. This is an essential step for developers looking to access the Unreal Engine source code and collaborate on projects with ease. Let's dive into the process so you can get started smoothly. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Epic Games account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section labeled Apps and Accounts, or sometimes Linked Accounts. This is where you'll establish the connection between your Epic Games account and GitHub. In this menu, locate the GitHub option and click on Connect. At this point, if you are prompted to accept the Unreal Engine license agreement, ensure that you agree to it, as it's a crucial part of the linking process. Now, Epic Games will request permission to access your GitHub account. You'll need to authorize this request to enable the link between the two accounts. Depending on your GitHub settings, it might prompt you for email verification. If so, simply follow the instructions from GitHub to verify your email. This verification step helps maintain security and confirms that you're the legitimate owner of the account being linked. Once you've completed those steps, you'll need to accept an invitation from GitHub. Check the inbox of the email you use for your GitHub account. You should receive an invitation from GitHub to join the Epic Games organization. This invitation is your gateway to accessing the Unreal Engine repositories. Be prompt here, as the invitation expires within 7 days. Click on Join at Epic Games in the email to accept the invitation. Once you've successfully joined, you'll have access to all the resources within the Epic Games GitHub organization. Now that you're part of the Epic Games organization on GitHub, the final step is to access the Unreal Engine source code. Head over to the Epic Games GitHub organization page. You'll need to sign in to GitHub if you aren't already. Once there, you should have full access to the Unreal Engine repository, along with any other resources shared by Epic Games. This is where you'll find the source code and other valuable materials for developing with Unreal Engine 4. Congratulations! You've successfully linked your GitHub account to Epic Games and gained access to the Unreal Engine source code. This setup not only allows you to work more efficiently, but also opens up a range of collaboration opportunities on this powerful game development platform. Remember, keeping your accounts properly linked ensures uninterrupted access to updates and community contributions. Thanks for watching, and happy developing!